What's the meaning of Battery Park? Battery Park. Battery Park.
Battery Park. Battery Park. Battery Park is a public park located at the southern tip of Manhattan in New York City. The park has a long history, dating back to the 17th century when it was used as a strategic defensive position to protect the city from invaders. The name, Battery, comes from the cannons that were once stationed there. Today, Battery Park is a popular tourist destination and recreational area, offering stunning views of the New York Harbor and the Statue of Liberty. The park features several monuments and memorials, including the Sphere sculpture, a tribute to the victims of the September 11th attacks. Visitors can also enjoy gardens, walking paths, and seasonal events and festivals.